What do we have here? This is pretty exciting, man. Atmospheric water generator. Something you can literally plug in overnight, walk back in the morning, have a couple gallons of fresh water, literally ready to drink. So let's go ahead and press dispense. Boom. I'm going to go ahead and press stop. You gotta taste that thing, so hold on a second. That's good. What is a water generator? It's nothing but a fancy dehumidifier with like an AC component. It's got a built-in pressurized tri-chamber water filter. It's obviously got a huge condenser and a coil up there. And all it's doing is you plug it in and you walk away. You walk up at any point in time after a couple hours and you're always going to have fresh water to drink. When you're getting water out of the air, so basically think how a dehumidifier works, right? You can use any dehumidifier to make your own water in case of an emergency. You can use any air conditioner unit to make your own water in case of an emergency. But this just puts it all together in one little compact unit that all you have to literally do is walk up, plug the damn thing in, and let it do its thing. And just like that, you're going to be able to come down to literally 1.5 gallons of fresh water at any point in time. But keep in mind, this can generate, with the way it's set up right now, 10 gallons of fresh water a day. No chemicals, no nothing. Pure water out of the air in my basement. We're turning it into purified drinking water and having my own ability to produce water at any one time, which is a great thing.